Did you know that buying 27,486 Gala tokens will set you financially free? You may be surprised at this fact, as a single unit of this coin is barely trading at around $0.0139 at the time of recording, and it sums up most of its price performance since the start of the year 2023. It has maintained a strong stance at the price of 1 cent, and this really got me looking into what the promising prospects lie in the future of the gaming coin. Now, it will cost as little as $280 to buy 27,486 units of Gala, and if you hold on long enough, you're looking at a coin that could grow 100x or more in the next 2 to 3 years. Is it guaranteed for such a high level of performance? Of course. There is no reason why that is not possible. Currently, hardly any blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming platform is as active as Gala Games. They've got multiple incredible events coming up and lots of exciting new games coming into the project, which really shows just how much the project could come to drive buyers' interest over and bring some cool profit for those who are smart enough to buy a substantial amount of the token and stash it away for a couple of years so it can post some serious gains. So what exactly does Gala do as a gaming platform, and how does it do it? Before we jump to that, I just want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor, MEXC. Did you know that you could turn your X, formerly Twitter, social media pages into a live Web3 platform to trade cryptocurrencies and NFTs? MEXC offers a unique way of connecting you with a large community of crypto enthusiasts on X, learning from the latest market trends, getting the biggest opportunities together, and earning rewards. You can also easily exchange your favorite cryptocurrency from your Twitter profile. This is a golden opportunity you don't want to miss. Click the link in the video description to learn more. So Gala is a product of the enigmatic Ethereum network designed to allow gamers to actually get paid for the time and effort they put into their gameplay. It is the perfect intersection between fun and profit, as the kind of games you would ordinarily play and make money for developers now promise to earn you some income instead. How cool is that? The concept of play to earn did not begin with Gala Games, but it has outperformed some of its predecessors. The first thing that Gala Games developers did was choose Ethereum as the base blockchain on which the platform was built. The network is known for its strength and reliability, and it was suitable enough to allow Gala to offer a suite of exciting games by which players can earn cryptocurrencies and NFTs through their gameplay. The Gala ecosystem is a wide network of distributed user-owned nodes that help to protect the platform and aid its development as it grows. When it launched, Gala Games had pretty big shoes to fill with the track record of big guns like Axie Infinity, who enjoyed significant success and led the way for the likes of Gala to explore space. The massive interest that had grown around the P2E market was what Gala Games capitalized on to develop the perfect blockchain-based gaming platform that would give Axie Infinity a run for its money. Like Axie, you can own in-game assets unique to you and yourself, with provable ownership stored as NFTs. If you played fantasy action games on Gala, key items such as your swords, tools, and potions, among others, are available to you for buying and selling on the open NFT market in the game. Now, if you own such items, the more the demand of other players for them, you can increase the price accordingly. It is the basic rule of supply and demand at work. For such an economy to work, it is necessary to have a currency for facilitating transactions, and this is where the Gala token comes in. It is both used for buying and selling NFTs, and as a reward incentivization mechanism for node operators, a payment medium for items in the Gala store, and for governance voting. All these are products of the genius work of the founders of Gala Games, Eric Schiermeier, Michael McCarthy, and Wright Thurston in 2019. One of the reasons I'm really bullish about the future of Gala Games is that they are taking the high development route into the gaming platforms. You see, the team of developers that built Gala Games includes a host of people who have contributed to the development of blockbusters like Doom, Halo, and Call of Duty. So if you've never played a game on the platform, you can anticipate many blockbuster gaming options on Gala. Also, the application of Gala Games is deeply immersed in the widely acclaimed metaverse, with ultra-truistic designs for their games that look to provide an immersive gaming experience for every gamer. Gala Games actually beats Axie in that it focuses more on enjoyable gaming. As it often goes with many play-to-earn games, they only care about monetization. However, Gala Games creates blockchain games that users will actually want to play. In recent months, the Gala platform has hosted exciting games such as Champions Arena, an RPG game that is playable on PC and mobile devices for various players. Other cool new additions include Spider Tank, Last Expedition, Legacy, Get Plucked, Dragon Strike, Battlestar Galactica Eternity, and Echoes of Empire. That's just to mention just a few. All these games cover immersive gaming experiences across genres such as multiplayer online battle arena, real-time strategy, simulators, and even more. With all these games comes the addition of many in-game items like skins, tools, and weapons, which users can buy and sell on the Gala store and OpenSea as NFTs. Gala is also not limiting its applications to gaming alone, with the addition of movie and music NFTs as content options from which artists, actors, and their consumers can make money. The average talented artist can easily market their songs and sell them directly to their listeners without needing a record label or third-party agent who would take most of the profits. With all these, Gala will undoubtedly be the biggest gaming coin in the next bull run, with the promise of huge returns. The downside that Gala Games has is the occasional occurrences of network congestion. Still, transactions have much better execution on Gala than on other networks. This is because even though Gala is built on Ethereum, it can easily interact with other networks like Polygon and Binance Smart Chain, both of which can be used alternatively to the Ethereum network for transactions for quicker finality. Therefore, although Gala may occasionally experience congestion, it stands well on its own to offer the best to users without sacrificing scalability and speed, even as its network expands. Hence, Gala Games is the best on paper and reality. On this premise, it is not so hard to envision a bright and glorious future for the unique gaming projects and its native cryptocurrency. I'm particularly unfazed by its low performance in recent times. I mean, hasn't every cryptocurrency suffered in some way since the start of the bull run? And that is unlikely to change, at least not in 2023. The focus is on the next bull run you and I have been anticipating. Wherever it comes, 2024, 2025, 2026, beyond. Getting enough Gala is a smart way to be prepared for the bull run. Now, I'm not saying, hey, go and buy Gala alone and thank me later. You should mix it up a bit like I do. The whole point of this video is to show you what you might miss out on if you don't consider Gala Games' potential worth investing in the future bull run. Based on the current price, I fancy the chances that Gala will reach at least $1 in 2 years. This will bring the $280 you invest in buying 27,486 Gala tokens to approximately $27,500. For some people, that might be enough. But I would only advise that you take a profit of about 20 to 30% of whatever profit has accrued and keep the rest for the long term. The project may do a $5 to $10 by 2030 price accumulation over time, and you will have a lot more to smile about in your bank account. Now, don't get me wrong, the profit margin could be more by that time, but I'm maintaining a fairly realistic speculation here. In 2023, we would be lucky to see Gala Games trade at 10 cents if market conditions begin to improve from the time of recording. But still, it puts us nowhere near what I can say is the best performance that Gala has ever done, with its all-time high at 80 cents. One significant factor that will let us know that good times are here for Gala game investors is if the market capitalization increases. The value of its market cap, which is set at $332 million, is too low for all the promises the project holds. Gala Games could still grow to reach a cap of at least $1 billion, which means about 3 times growth in its value. The effects of that growth will cause ripples in its token's price action and bring us to as high as $1, even with the usual market volatility. So I think it is one project you want to hold on to for the long term. Everything is going well for Gala Games, with more than 1.2 million gamers actively playing and Gala Music having more than 5 million streams per day on its music NFTs, with key partnerships in place to push the adoption of the music platforms for at least 1,000 artists all over the world and about 1 million listeners as well. On the gaming front, the platform has partnered with popular gamers to live stream some of the best games on Gala and push the frontiers of awareness about Gala Games' unique service offerings for maximum effect. It's only going to get bigger and much better.